We often think that health requires intense movement, but at 60, real power often resides in stillness. You do not always need to run faster. The world demands constant motion and heavy lifting, but sometimes the body needs a different kind of strength, one that comes from quiet moments.
Welcome to 180 seconds of rebirth. You are not just standing still. You are anchoring your foundation from the ground up.
This is the art of powerful silence. It is a method designed for the mature body to reclaim vitality without the risk of high-impact injuries. Imagine a workout where your joints are safe, but your muscles are working effectively. This is the secret of the world's most resilient elders. 180 seconds of intentional stillness. No jumping, just pure engagement. Let us explore the science of how stillness builds strength. Traditional exercise can sometimes be challenging for aging joints. High-impact movements can wear down the precious cartilage we need for fluid motion, but isometric loading offers a supportive alternative. It creates tension on the muscle fibers without moving the joint, reinforcing your tendons and ligaments. When you hold a position, internal focus rises. This encourages circulation into the muscle layers, delivering oxygen and nutrients where they are needed. Your body is encouraged to recruit deep stabilizer muscle fibers. These are the fibers that protect your spine and keep you upright and strong. Science views this as a supportive practice for the musculoskeletal system, a safe way to maintain muscle mass while protecting your skeletal integrity. You are supporting your body from the inside out. By managing movement, you reduce risk while retaining the pure benefit of muscle engagement.
Let us begin the first 60 seconds. The wall sit is a classic for a reason. It builds the foundational muscles of the lower body immediately.
Feel the engagement building in your thighs. This is the feeling of your foundation becoming more stable and your metabolism waking up. Keep your back pressed firmly. Your heart rate may rise even though you are still. This is the unique effect of static resistance training. 60 seconds of focus. You are teaching your nervous system to remain calm under pressure, a skill that translates to better stress management in daily life. Now we move to the upper body. Press your palms together firmly. This simple action supports bone density in your arms and chest area. Every second you hold this, your upper body becomes more resilient. This supports your posture, helping you stand taller and with more confidence. Notice how your core naturally engages to stabilize the pressure. You are working your entire torso without a single crunch or heavy repetition today. The final 60 seconds focus on the connection between the brain and the body. Balance is a vital indicator of neurological health as we age. Your nervous system is active, supporting the neural pathways. You are encouraging better coordination and helping to prevent future slips or falls.
Breathe into the slight wobbles. Those micro adjustments are your nervous system learning. You are becoming more centered, physically and mentally.
3 minutes. That is all it took to wake up your entire system. But the benefits go much deeper than just the muscles you feel engaging. By holding these poses, you are training your autonomic nervous system. You are teaching your heart to remain steady even during physical challenge. Circulation begins to stabilize. The vagus nerve is stimulated, sending signals of safety and wellness throughout your entire being. Now we address the deeper truths. This type of training is a trigger for the natural processes that signal repair and restoration in the body. These internal signals are vital for those over 60, helping to maintain skin elasticity, bone density, and metabolic energy every day.
There is a hidden power in this silence. It awakens the confidence that supports your independence. You feel capable, strong, and ready.
This inner strength reflects outwardly. It is the glow of health that comes from a body cared for with intelligence and mindful intention. Let us speak of pelvic health. Isometric holds engage deep core muscles, improving circulation to areas essential for internal vitality. Strengthening this region supports organ function and awakens a sense of energy that you might have felt was a thing of the past.
You don't need a gym. Your home is your training ground. Every time you wait for water to boil, you have an opportunity for growth.
These small moments of intentional stillness add up. They turn a mundane routine into a ritual of self-improvement and physical mastery. Balance while you brush your teeth. Engage your muscles while you talk on the phone. This is the intelligence of a person who values their time. No expensive equipment is required. The only requirement is your presence and your willingness to stand your ground every day. Your body is the most advanced system ever created. Within these 180 seconds, you are unlocking its full potential. This is the endurance of the wise. The ability to maintain strength through focus rather than through aggressive or loud displays of power. Notice the steadiness in your hands and the lightness in your step. These are the real-world results of 3 minutes of powerful silence. 60 seconds for legs, 60 for chest, 60 for balance. A total of 3 minutes to redefine what it means to be 60 and strong.
Do not wait for a better time. Your body is ready for this transformation right here and right now.
Every breath you take in this state of engagement is a breath of life. You are reclaiming your sovereignty over your physical and mental health. This is your manifesto of stillness. In a world that never stops moving, you have found the power to stand still and grow stronger. The tension dissolves into flexibility. Your muscles are now primed, warm, and more resilient than they have been in many years.
Time is no longer an obstacle. It is a partner in your progress. These 3 minutes are an investment that pays dividends in every hour of your day.
Age is just a number when the body is tuned like a fine instrument. You are not declining. You are refining your essence through this practice.
Silence is not empty. It is full of potential. When you are still, your body speaks the language of repair and restoration more clearly.
Become the master of your own stillness. Let the world rush by while you build an internal fortress of health that remains unshaken. Every step you take from now on will feel different. You will feel the ground more clearly and move with a new sense of purpose and stability. The strength you build here serves you in every moment. From sitting down to standing up, your body is now a more efficient and capable system. Join the community of those who understand that less movement can actually lead to more life and better health. Grip strength, core stability, and mental clarity. The 3 pillars of a long life are all supported in these 3 minutes. Look at yourself and see the change. It is not just physical, it is a shift in how you carry yourself through the journey of life. Your expression reflects a nervous system at peace and a body fully engaged with its own innate power. Inhale the future, exhale the past. You are here, you are strong, and you are just getting started on this path of silent, powerful growth.
Be like the ancient tree, still on the outside, but deeply rooted and full of life on the inside. This is your new standard of living. The world will always be in a hurry, but you don't have to be. Your strength comes from your ability to remain calm in the center.
Your heart is your engine. Keep it steady and strong. Through isometric loading, you are providing it with the best support possible. Beauty and strength are not reserved for the young. They are the rewards for those who listen to and respect their own bodies.
Your 3 minutes of effort create ripples of health that last. One small act of stillness changes the entire quality of your physical day. Take back your power.
The 180 seconds of silence is your proactive tool for long-term health.
Integrate it. Live it. Make it your own. There is no obstacle when the only tool you need is the ground beneath your own feet.
Connect with your environment and your breath. Most importantly, connect with the silent strength that has been waiting inside you. You have found the secret that many overlook. You have discovered that power is not just about how much you move, but how you stand. The results will be visible to everyone who sees the grace and strength in how you move through the world.
One last hold. One last breath. Feel the vitality surging through your arms and into your core.
You are alive and in control. This is your moment of triumph. You have mastered the silence that builds a stronger, more resilient body. Release. Relax. Receive the benefits of your dedication. Your body is now tuned to a new frequency of health and inner strength. Go forth into your day with this power. Carry it in your posture and in your spirit. You are a testament to the power of stillness. 180 seconds. That is all it takes to influence your life. It is the best gift you can give to your future self. Silence is power. Stillness is strength. Resilience is your birthright at any age. Claim it today and keep it forever. Do not wait until tomorrow. Start your journey now. The first 60 seconds are just a wall away. You have the power within you to transform. Start your 180 seconds now. Discover that even while standing still, you are moving forward with unshakable strength. Silence is the true power of age.